Are you curious about the best email service? Today we will compare Gmail and Apple Mail. Both tools help you manage your emails, but they do it in different ways. Gmail is a web based service, while Apple Mail is an app for Apple devices. Let's start with Gmail. It's known for its powerful search features. You can easily find old emails. It also integrates well with other Google services. Plus, it offers a lot of storage for free. Now, let's look at Apple Mail. This app is designed for Apple users. It has a clean interface and works seamlessly with other Apple products. If you are in the Apple ecosystem, it feels very natural to use. So, what sets them apart? First, Gmail is accessible from any device with the internet. Apple Mail, on the other hand, is limited to Apple devices. Gmail offers more storage, while Apple Mail focuses on simplicity and design. When it comes to features, Gmail has labels and powerful filters. You can customize your inbox to suit your needs. Apple Mail offers a unified inbox, making it easy to see all your emails in one place. In terms of pricing, Gmail has a free version with plenty of features. Apple Mail is free with Apple devices, but you need to buy the device first. So, which one should you choose? If you want flexibility and lots of features, go for Gmail. If you prefer a clean design and use Apple products, then Apple Mail is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.